of Aditya L1 to put it in the right orbit. From now, the Aditya L1 will take its journey after some Earth maneuvers. It will start its journey to the L1 point, a very long journey of almost 125 days. So let us wish all the very best to Aditya spacecraft.
Aditya L1. Where is the polar satellite launch vehicle right now? After the success of Chandrayan III, ISRO set on its next space odyssey, the Sun mission. The Aditya L1 was launched by the Indian Space Agency to study the Sun up close. 11 days into its journey, the Aditya L1 is ready to undertake the next phase of the journey. The Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, recently announced that the spacecraft has already made 3 Earth-bound maneuvers. The spacecraft is set to take 5 maneuvers, with the next one set to take place on September 15, 2023. Launched from Satish Dhawan Space Centre, Harikota, the Aditya L1 carries various instruments developed entirely by ISRO to study the Sun up close. An article published on India Today mentions the following. The satellite, named after the Sanskrit word for sun, is equipped with 7 distinct payloads developed indigenously by ISRO and academic institutions. These instruments are designed to study various aspects of the Sun's atmosphere and its impact on space weather. After its 3 Earth-bound maneuvers, Aditya L1 is currently located at the orbit at 282 kilometers into 40,225 kilometers. The spacecraft is expected to complete its journey in 4 months. Following this, it will be stationed in a halo orbit. The halo orbit around Lagrange point 1 or L1 is a point between the Sun and the Earth that would allow the probe to make its observations without being negatively affected. The India Today article mentions, the next step for Aditya L1 involves moving towards the L1 Lagrange point, 5 Earth-bound orbital maneuvers that the spacecraft will undergo before reaching its designated orbit at the L1 point, approximately 127 days after its launch. It is almost unbelievable that India has made such rapid progress in space technology. If someone even 20 years ago said that India would land on the south hemisphere of the moon, take notes of Mars, or station a probe in L1 to study the Sun, it would appear unimaginable. The dedication and perseverance of our scientists have led to India becoming only a few elite nations to have achieved these space milestones. Prime Minister Modi took to his X handle and mentions the following. After the success of Chandrayan III, India continues its space journey. Congratulations to our scientists and engineers at ISRO for the successful launch of India's first solar mission, Aditya L1. Our tireless scientific efforts will continue in order to develop better understanding of the universe for the welfare of entire humanity. How did you find this information? Please mention this in the comments section. We would also like to know the kind of content you want to watch, and we will try to create it for you. For more news and updates, follow Air News.